Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to send and receive money using Google Pay in 2025. So step 1, open the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account. Step 2, to send money, you can tap Pay or choose a contact or enter the recipient's phone number or UPI ID. Step 3, enter the amount and add a note if you like, and then tap Pay and choose your funding source such as your bank account, card, or wallet balance. Step 4, authenticate the payment using your device's security method such as PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Step 5, to receive money, you can go to the Home tab and tap Received or share your QR code or phone number with the sender. Step 6. Once the payment is complete, the money will appear on your linked bank account or Google Pay balance. And now, you can easily send and receive money payments using Google Pay in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.